Here at High Performance, I'm really proud to say we've partnered with ViewSonic to integrate some of their awesome tech into our brand new studio. Come with me and I'll show you more. And this is the first thing I wanted to show you, the 75-inch 4K presentation display from ViewSonic. So we use this all the time when we record episodes there in the studio. Normally the agents or the guests of the person on the show are sitting in here watching us record. We also use this for all our team meetings. So this screen keeps us well connected wherever we're working around the UK. As well as that, the USB-C solution ensures a clean and easy setup with one cable for video, audio, data sharing and power. And beneath the TV, we've got this, our all-in-one conference camera, which is so handy. It's got this awesome widescreen lens so that the team sitting around the table can all be in shot at the same time. And stereo speakers mean that the audio is crystal clear. And we use this so the whole team can get together as often as possible. And over here in our editing area is where the true magic happens. Say hello, guys. Both Will and Finn are using the ViewSonic ColorPro monitors. These are brilliant, 32 inches. They're color accurate as well, so we can really trust them. It's a 4K display because we know that people are watching our content, whether it's the podcast or whether it's the high performance originals, sometimes on the move, sometimes on their phones. So it just needs to look really fantastic. And we believe that ViewSonic is the perfect product for that. Each product plays a vital role in producing high performance content and helping optimize our business day to day. To learn more about ViewSonic's visual solutions for you, visit viewsonic.com.